Hi, this is Chuck with ABR Industries. To follow up from last week's video regarding the ABR174 and ABR316 micro miniature cables, some questions came up as to finding more information about these products. So this video is focused on the website to give you some direct information that you'll may need. The first piece is here under the product information tab. When it's opened up, you can go and visualize the products in a couple different areas. One is through the builders, amateur radio, a colored sheath, or for commercial accounts, the commercial coax builder. There's also the data sheets, cable descriptions, and there's a quote feature that's built into this product as well. What I'm going to focus on a little bit more on the information side of things, and then briefly touch upon the products and builder sections. So first and foremost is the data sheets. So in that section, if you click into it, you'll see right up on the top is the 174 product. So if you were to click into that, it'll drop you into a PDF that you can use, giving you insertion loss, size, technical information, and other details regarding ROHS, UL information, and some other key pieces for capacitance and velocity. On the flip side, on the 316 product, you'll have to scroll down just a little bit farther because we put the PTFE products together. So in that area, if you click on that, once again, you'll find all the information that you're looking for there regarding the characteristics and application of the 316 cable. So with that, there's another piece, which is the cable descriptions. Right now, we build product pages for different cable types. And in that, you can find those different descriptions in those overviews. It looks and feels the same way as the data sheet in the sense that you can go ahead and highlight the product that you want. Now, just so that you know, we are repopulating this page, so more data will come up in the next few days. And then when we go into the quoting tool, you can simply scroll down into that item there and fill in your contact information, as well as creating an assembly that you can build it with the cable, the connector types, and then I can quote it specifically for your needs. The last component is the builders and the product side. So with this, I'm going to take the overview of the builders first. So under all of the different builders, you'll see the drop-down menu for the different cable types. And you'll see the 174 cable is listed here at the top, and then the 316 will be in the middle of the page. So once again, I'm just going to pick a 174 cable, which is going to give me the option to add the length. Now, just so you know, we do fractional lengths now, so if you wanted to do a 2.5 footer, just put in 2.5. The different connector options, so I'm going to pick an FME to PL combination. And then on the other side, I'm going to pick a native BNC connector and add that to the cart. I'm going to put the sweep testing on there. This is not mandatory. All of our cables are high pot and continuity tested, but you can choose to get all the RF testing on your cables as well. You can also then add ferrites as you need. I'm just going to pick 3 of them for this example, adding it. And then the last piece is putting in a message marker. So you can put in whatever you want so that you can identify these cables very easily, reclaim them for outdoor events, so on and so forth. So with that, it will drop the cable right into the cart. And as you can see there, it picks the cable, all of the features, and then breaks down the connector types. You can add more cables, or you can proceed to check out from there. Now, in the standard products, we have a couple of key products that are set up so that the more common items can be found. So in this case, I'm going to pick the ones that are popular with the ham radio community. And you can see here, there's a whole list of them, including the different builders. And there's a section for a little bit more specific within amateur radio, which is the QRP and POTA cables. And from there, you can see some standard key sizes for the colored types of the ABR240 Ultraflex, but also the BNC to BNC assemblies and the BNC to BNC with ferrites. So I've clicked the 316 with the ferrite portion, and I'm just going to pick a standard 20-foot length. It is a full assembly with the BNC males on both ends and 5 of the ferrites that are installed. So if you're looking for a standard product, you can also just go into that section. This will be populated with the 174 sometime early next week. We will have more information and send an email confirming all that next week as well. So in this case, though, I have the cables that I'm looking for today, so I can just go back into my cart and then fill out the checkout information. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at abrind.com or info@abrind.com, or lastly, call us 713-492-2722. Thank you.